Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to send scheduled messages in Telegram. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Telegram application on our mobile phone if you haven't already. If you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, and by opening up the App Store you can search for Telegram. From there you can download the application, open it up and log in with your phone number just like we did right here, and after opening it up it's going to look by the main page where you can take a look at all the chats you have. So as you can see, we have right here opened up a chat that we want to schedule a message to. So here is my chat, and from here you can open up any chat that you wish and it all works the same basically. And now as you can see, I want to send this message right here that says hello, but I want to schedule it to send in about 2 hours or maybe whenever. This is how you can do so. It's very easy guys, and basically once you have typed out your message, you're going to long hold on this arrow option right here. This arrow option for sending your message, by long holding it, is going to open up this menu where we can send without sound or we can schedule the message. So as you can see, by clicking schedule message, it's going to enable us to select when we want the message to be sent, and after that guys you can click send today at that and that time, and with this you're going to successfully schedule your message and it can be sent whenever you prefer. So you can do this with any message in any chat and is always going to go ahead and be available, so make sure to select the desired and correct time. So basically guys, you can do so with any message. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.